was about to say good morning, but I think it's good afternoon. Hello, I'm delighted to see all of you today. Thank you for being here. This has been a magnificent journey to arrive at this day where Pittsburgh is hosting this prestigious summit, the Global Manufacturing and Industrialization Summit. And I couldn't be more proud. And it all started when we, the American Middle East Institute, took a delegation to Dubai in 2018. And that was our 11th annual conference, and that's where we held it, the first time in Dubai. And the connections we made there led to this friendship between our city of Pittsburgh and the United Arab Emirates. And so I couldn't be more proud to stand here today and to say that we are hosting, the city of Pittsburgh is hosting for the first time, this Global Manufacturing and Industrialization Summit that we call GMIS America. You are going to hear today from some stellar panelists. The lineup is amazing, and I hope you will benefit from them. I hope you will make as many connections as you can. We plan to grow this summit and have it turn into the event you have to attend every year. So I also wanted to say, be sure to come back tomorrow, because that will start tomorrow at 9 o'clock. And so that will be a day long of incredible panelists and speakers. So it's today starting at around noon, but tomorrow we'll have the 9 a.m. start. I'd like to now bring to the stage Bill Flanagan, who is going to be our MC extraordinaire. And I can't say enough good things about Bill. He always, first of all, he's an incredible historian about the city of Pittsburgh. So if you want to know about the history, this magnificent manufacturing history that Pittsburgh is about, and the inventions that have happened here, and the healthcare and the education and the technology, Bill knows everything. So be sure to go up to him and he'll tell you a little bit about Pittsburgh. It's a very inspiring story. But Bill is an executive at the Allegheny Conference on Community Development, and he also has a television program called Our Region's Business, and he's going to be our wonderful MC today. So Bill, if you'd come to the stage. Thank you, everyone.